To disable disappearing messages feature of a certain chat on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp and then tap the required chat you like to turn off its disappearing messages feature. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select disappearing messages. Next, select off and then tap the back button. By doing this, now disappearing message feature of the selected chat has been disabled, which means new messages will not disappear from this chat except you delete it manually. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.